Hey, it's Ludwig and this is Data Platform Microlearning. Now in previous episode on this YouTube channel, I've asked the question, hey, will SQL as a language become obsolete over the course of the next 10 to 15 years, especially when you think about those tools like the AI to SQL that I present in that episode. The link to that episode is in the description. So the thing is that I would like you to think about that. If you have any more concerns about the answer to that question, I went to Reddit and I've asked the fellow Redditors, the DBAs, the database developers as well, what do they think about that? And of course, most of them were not useful at all, leaving the stupid comments as a lot of people in the internet do. But there was this one comment that really hit me, because I have asked, hey, if there is a tool that basically translates English into SQL, why would we ever learn SQL? And what Mr. Knut Knoblauch, Mr. Garlic, answered is really an epiphany, maybe an epiphany for you, if you ever think whether it will become the technology, the coding, the programming will become obsolete or not. They wrote, friend, you've answered your own questions. This tool basically translates English into SQL. Looks like SQL is here to stay. So this is it. Regardless how good those no-code tools will be, there's always a need for the coding underneath. But there is a huge but in here. So the thing is that if we have more and more high-level no-code or low-code tools, if you know just the basics of SQL, that's great, but then you can be replaced by a tool like that. But if you know more, if you're digging deeper, if you're a high-level professional in terms of SQL, database development, database administration maybe, then you are a linchpin. You are irreplaceable, because before we'll get to the point where all of those actions and tasks and jobs that you need to perform on a daily basis will be automatable, if I can use that word, there's many years to come where in those years you can get your weekly, bi-weekly or monthly paycheck every single time you will be providing your services. And that's why Data Platform Learning is in here, and that's why in every single episode I'm asking you and recommending that you subscribe that channel, because I will teach you all of it there is on data.